Gone through and I've plastered stuff up. Now I've tinted to plaster up so I can see where it is. I've got to tape up those power points. Probably won't get this done today. Plastered it, and you know, we're sort of on to the next stage. Moving into here. All this has been sanded, dusted, prepped, and looking pretty good. Then, yes, I'm sort of doing it as I go. This is just easy sand. And then after we put our first coat on, you can then see some of the damage and stuff like that. So then we'll fix some more nails need punching. So we'll sort of fix a lot more stuff, and then we'll decide on whether we actually use a roller on the next coat or not, or whether we just go and spray the next one. Lots of nail holes, little tiny ones. I've already filled thousands of them up. I've just taped up the power points, and I'm using this paint as an undercoat on the frames. So the frames already come pre-primed, so they're going to have this on it. Then they'll have 2 coats of the gloss enamel, the Taubman's water-based gloss enamel. So we're doing that, so we'll have white down there, white on the picture rail around there, and white all around here in the door frames. So the door frames will be white, doors will be white, inserts will be in the wall paint. So let's do that now so you can get a bit of a look at the Graco power shot on. Got it cranked up tight. So now how these things work is I use my blade. So if we unscrew this, it'll start spitting. If we screw that in tight, nice and tight, it will stop the spitting of that tip. So very important when I'm doing doors and I want it to look good. So I won't have any spitting. So you can imagine the white around there. It's quite nice with the white, I think, this colour. I think the owner will be very excited when she sees this on these doors. And this is the first coat, and then I'll prep it a little bit more. So I've got a few issues, things. I'm basically just doing this to show you how I'm going about doing it. And then I'm using this as an undercoat as well. So anything that hasn't been undercoated, I haven't sanded this wool yet, but okay, so let's do some painting over here. Just stick my mask on. I'm just going to spray this bottom area here. I've already done the top section. What I do is I try and get the tip to come about here so it actually paints the bottom edge. Same as here, I spray it so that it hits this edge, and then this will be done in the other gloss. Okay, just make sure my tip's facing the right way. That's better. Now we're going to go. What that does, it gets underneath there. We've got a little bit of overspray there, nothing too much to worry about. And I'm going to undercoat the skirtings with this as well. Pure Performance, and the colour is called Mist Moors, M-I-S-T-M-O-O-R-S, half strength. Got the best carpenter in the world here. That's it. Put some more nails in, the painter will fix it. So we're doing some second coating now. This has all been prepped again. All the nail holes, everything like that have been filled. We're We're going to keep seeing them. Majority are done. It's going to look good. We haven't covered the windows, we don't have to. Our 311 tip. It's not even a low pressure tip. Just a normal 311 tip. It's not even brand new. It's a good little tip. So this is the final coat. On a house like this, you'll have a bit of paint peeling and stuff like that you pick back. You'll just continually see things and you fix them as you go, you don't leave them. And none of that's opened back up again. It's just the way it is. Okay, where did we get to? Get to here. Now the pressure I've got this set at is the lowest pressure that I can get to come out through this grey clean shot. It doesn't matter what pressure you have, if it doesn't come out of this clean shot, it's not high enough. So you can see how I'm using this angle to my advantage. I'm basically coming down and I'm painting the tops of these, putting lots of paint on the top. Now I'm painting the bottom edge of this. My next job is to do the white. Then I bring the wall colour down just to finish that top off. So this white has 2 coats. Maybe not today, we'll see how we feel. I'd like to get some up just to see, just to show the owner the finished product and what it looks like. I'm doing that underneath the bottom edge. This one has the gloss on it. I don't have to do the skirting again because it's already done. And that'll just be cut in now with 1 coat of the gloss enamel white. It's already oil undercoated and prepped. So that is the finished product there when it dries, and then we'll bring this white in here. See this thing here? been over this, I never saw them. Okay, so I've gone along the top there, and now I'm bringing these bottoms in. So what did I do? I've done that. I think I finished that one, and I'm probably around here somewhere. So I'm just finishing up for the day. Now it's Thursday. I'll be back on Monday. So I've got a few days off. I'm actually going off to another job. The balls are still wet, so that's actually finished. So it's looking pretty good now.